My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware called WaspLocker. WaspLocker is a ransomware type infection that currently attacks many Windows computers all over the world. The ransomware is able to encrypt the files and to damage them so that people cannot use them. Before the ransomware attack, of course, customers are able to open their documentation easily, but because of certain vulnerabilities, this WaspLocker ransomware and other ransomware type threats may somehow be injected into the computer. The ransomware then adds a special extension to the files. Currently, the extension is called locked. It also changes the desktop background, mentioning that all your files have been encrypted with the ransomware virus. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom surely does not guarantee that your files would be restored. And this is that scary message mentioning that all your files have been encrypted. Once again, please do not pay the ransom. This does not mean that your files would be recovered. So please ignore all these deceitful messages delivered by the WaspLocker ransomware. What you should do is to immediately undertake the measures to get rid of this ransomware from your computer. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware for this purpose. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting all contemporary ransomware type threats, including this WaspLocker. So combocleaner.com, go to this page, download Combo Cleaner using this green button, install the application and start investigating your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will also help you to protect your data from being damaged in the future. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available. But even in the quick scan mode, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this ransomware effectively. So after you start the program, it will first of all update its anti-malware database and will begin scanning your system. Combo Cleaner has got the premium license, of course. This is the license that helps you to protect your files from being damaged in the future by all kinds of other ransomware attacks. You may go to the anti-ransomware tab. You'll discover that you can add one or several folders that will be protected by Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin scanning your computer. It will then give you the summary of threats mentioning their exact location on your computer. So you'll be able to find out where exactly the malware is hidden, and you may remove this ransomware or malware manually, but we do recommend that you upgrade to premium license to delete these threats automatically and to remove other threats that could remain on your device.